Hey, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Faisal Ramadan. Today I'm going to present about methods for organizing notes. Okay, let's start. Number one, note taking method. The outline method. The outline method is one of the best and most popular note taking methods for college students. It lets you organize your notes in a structured form, helping you save a lot of time for further reviewing and editing. As the name suggests, this method requires you to structure your notes in a form of an outline by using bullet points to represent different topics and their subtopics. Start writing main topics on the far left of the page and add related subtopic in bullet points below using indents. When should you use this note-taking method? This method can be used in a variety of situations but works best if the lecture class follows a relatively clear structure. For prose, highlights the key points of the lecture in a logical way. Ease of use allows the students to focus, reducing the reviewing and editing time. Cons. Not suitable for subjects like chemistry and maths that compromise of formulas and charts. Doesn't work well if the attend lecture doesn't follow a certain structure. Number 2. The Cornell method. We've written about the Cornell method in one of our previous blog articles. It is a unique note-taking method that finds its application in a variety of situations. What differentiates it from other methods is the page layout. The page is divided into 3 or 4 sections starting from one row at the top for title and date and one at the bottom along with 2 columns in the center. 30% of width should be kept in the left column while the remaining 70% for the right column. All notes for the class go into the main note-taking column. The smaller column on the left side is for comments, questions or hints about the actual notes. After the lecture, you should take a moment to summarize the main ideas of the page in the section at the bottom, which will speed up your reviewing and studying process immensely. The best part is that many people already remember and digest the information while they write a summary like this. When should you use this note-taking method? The column method is ideal for all types of lectures or even meetings. Pros. A quicker way to take review and organize your notes. Summarize all the information in a systematic manner. Helps in effective learning as it enables to absorb information in a shorter time. Helps you to extract main ideas, cut down time for reviewing. Cons. Page needs to be prepared before a lecture. Requires some time for reviewing and summarizing the key concepts. And number 3, the boxing method. Digital note-taking apps for the iPad like GoodNotes are especially helpful for this method because content on the page can be recorded or resized subsequently. That way you can just write down notes as you would normally and then reorder them afterward to assign them to particular boxes. Digital note-taking also allows you to zoom in on the page, which helps to focus on one topic at a time during the review. When should you use this note-taking method? This method works best if you have a class or session that is split into different sections that are still related in a sense. Pros. Segregate and organize your notes in the form of boxes, lets you focus on one box at a time while reading. Helps you memorize the relation between notes in a visual way, perfect for the people that take notes on an iPad. Cons. Not suitable for every lecture type, doesn't work well if no overall topics can be assigned to a group of notes, requires additional time to group the notes in the end or during the lecture. Number 4, the charting method. It is an ideal method for notes that involve a lot of information in the form of facts and statistics that need to be learned by heart. The information will be organized in several columns, similar to a table or spreadsheet. Each column represents a unique category which makes the rows easily comparable. A great example of this charting method will be a summary of this article. Pros. Information is clearly structured, fantastic for reviewing, notes are easily comparable, a lot of information can be memorized rather quickly. Cons. Very time-consuming method. Barely makes sense to apply this method in lecture class where the content isn't clear beforehand. So that's just all for note-taking method. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, and thank you for the time.